Remember this code? Yes, it's what we used to place images as separators in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Can you use this for titles too? Last time I mentioned that putting certain extra code into the title options prefix and suffix boxes doesn't work well, but that the prefix and suffix tabs are completely different. You can use these to add images above and below your titles. The code works in exactly the same way as it does for the separators, because it is the same code. So you need to have the image in your binder or have the correct path for it, and replace the image text with the name, and then specify height or width or ebook percentage. It's as easy as that. If you're not familiar with this, I'd suggest you watch the videos on image separators here for more info. But what about if you want different images for different chapters? That's quite a common format, especially for children's books. Can you do that? Why, yes, you can. Next time, we'll be delving into that.